When I need to do gathering, traditionally I'll use a Bernina gathering foot or a Bernina ruffler. But in a pinch and with some cord, I can use stitch number 12. It's a gathering stitch. Now my favorite foot to actually use is a purchased foot. It is 3C. Now this is a manual buttonhole foot. It's got 2 grooves underneath and a toe in front. So watch what we're going to do. We're actually going to take the cord. So this would be the distance that you have to gather times 2. So I'm going to take a length of cord, longer the better, and then I'm going to divide it in half. So here's my halfway point, and I'm going to slip it over the front toe, and I'm holding it out the back side. So as I start this stitch, the nice thing is that it's actually going to stitch once in the middle, and then once to the left, and then once to the right, and then back. So there's actually a stitch going down the middle of this. I am going to lengthen it just so it goes a little faster. You might need to help in the back just a little bit to kind of drag your fabric. The cord is sliding down those 2 grooves of the foot, and so that makes it a nice gathering feature. The thread is not going to break. You're not going to pull it out. You're not going to pull it out because you got a loop right here, so there's no way to pull it out once it's all the way done. So especially if you have some really heavy fabric, so I'm going to just go ahead and cut my thread. When we lift up the presser foot, I'm going to slip this little hook of thread out from underneath the toe, so that's what was hooked on. And I have used green thread on green fabric, so there it is, really close up. But the cool thing is there was no part of the cord that got stitched through. So that means the cord is perfectly just like a curtain rod and will easily gather to the amount of gathers you need it to be. All you have to do is just keep pulling and keep sliding until you have the right ratio, and then go ahead and pin it into where you need it to be sewn. And that is how easy it is to gather and never have to worry about your threads breaking.